nachdenklich sein. Eddie Irvine wird über die ersten Runden nachdenken und geht dann so.
It certainly makes my situation a little bit different than it was a couple hours ago. So to winning this Grand Prix, it obviously gives us advantage for the championship, and it just gives more motivation for the team to prepare the car even better for the next Grand Prix, the final Grand Prix.
Well, I thought it's going to be enough, and as you saw, he just took the little bit, and he got in front of me. Saying that at the second stop, if I would have kept him behind me the first stop, there would have been a chance for him to get by at the second stop. So overall, we have, as I said before, we have to accept we weren't fast enough for that race. So, but 4 or 5 weeks time for testing, and we're going to use that.
By Kurt Beck, Prime Minister of
No, it was always part of our plan to decide on what was happening with the weather, and then to finalise the fuel on the grid. So that you can only put such a little amount on the grid anyway that it's not a big difference.